Lockhart now. We're looking at the back edge of those storms as I just pan the camera around. These storms, incredible view when you put it in contrast with the almost picture-perfect blue sky that we've got overhead. Yet those storms in our eastern counties are still dangerous, especially for you in Fayette County. So this is the view from our Kreitz Market camera in Lockhart in Caldwell County. Currently not seeing any storms in Caldwell County. Beneficial rain since midnight. Many areas exceeded an inch, although not all. Even in the hill country, the amounts varied quite a bit from about 1.25 inches in San Saba, little under, well, roughly 2/3 of an inch in Mason. Very little in Llano, yet those amounts got over an inch, closer to 2 inches in spots in parts of Gillespie, Blanco, and Burnett counties. Highest rainfall totals in the metro came in the western metro, western Travis, western Williamson counties, where we had more than 2 inches of rain. In fact, some spots in between here reported more than 3, which is why we had our flash flood warnings for the western and central metro earlier today. And then in our eastern counties, we actually had some of the lowest rainfall amounts so far, not including you in Milam County, where we had almost 2 inches of rain there, but those rainfall amounts fairly low so far. Remember, it is still downpouring in Fayette County now, where we still have a severe weather threat. We're going to have to watch these storms closely, still in an environment where tornadoes are going to be possible. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of LaGrange and really much of Fayette County. Southern Fayette County, including Schulenburg, currently not in a severe thunderstorm warning, but there's another strong storm moving in from the southwest that we'll have to watch as well. Why are we concerned about this particular storm in central and northeastern Fayette County? There's large hail with this one. We're estimating up to about 1.5 inches in diameter, heading through Plum and clipping the northern sections of the city of LaGrange and right up Route 77. So this is a storm you want to be indoors for sure, especially with the significant count of lightning that we've got out there now. In fact, we've had so much lightning over much of the area here today. The storms will gradually continue working eastward as they have the last few hours, and full sunshine west of the storms. Got a very clear early evening on the way for us here this evening, and we think most storms should be out of here by 6, 7 at the very latest. Rain chances overnight down to just 10% or less, mostly to account for a stray little sprinkle or shower. I do expect a lot of low clouds come back by tomorrow morning. There could even be some areas of fog as well, especially where we had some of our higher rainfall totals. Morning clouds should give way to sunshine, and then in the afternoon, some scattered showers and storms look to bubble back up again. Coverage of these scattered, about 30% of us getting some measurable rain or storms, but there is the potential for some severe weather tomorrow. Rain chances tonight at 10%, mid-60s for overnight lows. Rain chances tomorrow, 30%. Morning clouds to sunshine. Severe weather risk, a 1 out of 5 here tomorrow for most of the area. Main concerns not for tornadoes this time, but potentially some briefly large hail and damaging wind, especially in the metro east. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. One last chance of rain here on Thursday. It's a 20% chance. Then the sun is back Friday. We're dry through the weekend, and we're dry into early next week.